Topics to be covered in this chapter are introduction, weather, climate, different climate regions, adaptation to climate, polar regions, and tropical regions. Weather and climate have a great impact on our day to day life. Weather and climate determine the type of clothes we wear, mode of transport we use, type of food we grow and eat, etc. All living organisms are adapted to survive in the climatic condition of their natural habitat. The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place and time with respect to the temperature, pressure, humidity, wind speed and wind direction, sunshine, clouds, rainfall or snowfall, etc. is called weather at that place at that time. The various factors which decide weather at a place are called elements of weather. The major elements of weather at a place are temperature, pressure, humidity, wind speed, and wind direction. Sunshine, cloud, and rainfall or snowfall. Weather is also called Mausam in Hindi. The greater the humidity, more are the chances of rain. Rainfall is measured by an instrument called rain gauge. Rain gauge is basically a measuring cylinder with a funnel on top to collect rainwater. Cloudiness and wind. Cloudiness is full of cloudy sky having little or no sunshine. It is cloudy but rainless day. Wind is horizontal movement of air. Wind is named after the direction from which it comes. Example northern wind, southern wind, etc. Before discussing what is the effect of sun in changing of weather condition, first we can see what is a sun. Sun is a huge sphere of hot gases at a very high temperature. Although the distance of sun from earth is quite large, still the heat and light energy emitted by the sun is so huge that it is source of all heat and light on earth. Sun energy observed by reflected by the Earth's surface where ocean and the atmosphere play an important role in determining the weather at a particular place. Here we will discuss what is a climate. Climate of a place is defined as the average weather condition at a particular place over a long period of time, about 25 years or more. Climate varies from place to place if the temperature of a place is hot for most of the day and if there is more rainfall, then we say that the climate of that place is hot and wet. Example Kerala. If the temperature at a place is hot for most of the day and if there is less rainfall, then we say that the climate of the place is hot and dry. Example Rajasthan. Now we will see what is the effect of sun in changing the climatic condition of the world. The angle at which sunlight strikes the earth varies by location, time, etc. due to the earth orbit around the sun and its rotation around it tilted axis. At the near the equator, the sun's rays hit sun surface almost vertically almost all year long, cause hot climatic at the poles. The sunlight hardly reaches causes cold climatic condition. Climatic zone of India can be mainly divided into four climatic zones. Number one is the alpine zone, number two is the subtropical zone, number three is the tropical zone. Further, tropical zone are also divided into two parts: tropical wet zone and tropical dry zone. And number four is the arid zone. Alpine zone. It is a type of natural region that does not contain trees because of it is at high altitude, which is too cold and windy to support tree growth. Indian states that lie in the alpine zone are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh. Subtropical zone. In subtropical zone, summers are hot and wet and winters are cold and dry. Rainfall is quite common. Subtropical zones are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Bihar, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh. Arid zone region lie in the Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab and Haryana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Temperature is as high as 50 degrees in summer. Tropical zone. In tropical zone, wet monsoon zone, the average temperature normally does not fall below 18 degrees centigrade and higher than average rainfall. Tropical wet zone are Kerala, coast Karnataka coast, Goa and northern part of Karnataka coast, Andaman and Nicobar. In tropical dry monsoon zone, rainfall is not so common. Now we will discuss what is the climatic effect on the living organism and how they are adapted to live in that climatic effect. Climate has a profound effect on all living organisms. Adaptations can be defined as the modification of all living organism on its parts in order to make it more fit for survival under changed environmental condition, or we can say that the adjustment shown in structure, physiological behavior, etc. of an organism to changed environment condition is referred to as the adaptation. Each of two types, behavioral adaptation and structural adaptation. The example of behavioral adaptation is migration of bird from one place to another place, and a structural adaptation fur on a polar bear. What is a polar region? The polar regions are very cold for most part of the year, and these regions are covered with snow. The temperature are as low as -37 degrees centigrade for 6 months. The sun does not rise, and for other 6 months the sun does not set. Some of the animals found in the polar regions are polar bears, seals, penguin, musk oxen, reindeers, foxes, whales, Siberian cranes, and many types of fishes. The polar regions of Earth have an extremely cold climate. The two animals which live in polar regions are polar bears and penguins. First, we discussed how the polar bear are adapted to live in the polar region. Number one, the polar bear has a white color which matches with its surroundings. Number two, polar bear has two thick layers of fur on its body. Number three, the polar bear has a thick layer of fat under its skin. Number four, polar bear has a rounded body and small ears to keep the body surface area to a minimum. This reduces the heat loss from the body of polar bear. Number five, polar bear has big feet to spread the weight of its body on snow, which prevent it from sinking into snow and make it walk on snow easily. Number six, polar bear is a good swimmer. And number seven, polar bear has a very strong sense of smell. Penguin is an animal which live in extremely cold South Pole region of the earth. Penguin is a seabird which cannot fly. Penguins hunt for fish which they eat as food. Penguins can live in the extremely cold climate of the polar region due to the following adaptation. Penguin is a black and white in color, but still it merges well with the white background of the ice and snow. Penguin has thick skin and a layer of fat below its skin which protect it from extreme cold. Penguins live together in large numbers. Penguins has a streamlined body, flippers-like wings, and webbed feet which make it good swimmer. Being a good swimmer help penguin in catching fish as prey. The adaptation of migration in Siberian crane is to escape the extremely cold winter conditions in Siberia and survive by moving to warmer regions. Siberian cranes come to places in India like Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana to escape from the extreme winter in Siberia. Now we will discuss about the tropical rainforests. The area of Earth near both sides of the equator is called tropical region. The tropical regions have hot and humid climate. An important feature of the tropical regions of Earth is the tropical rainforest. In India, tropical rainforests are found in Western Ghat and Assam. Because of highly favorable climatic conditions in tropical rainforest, a large variety of plants and animals are found in the tropical rainforest. The major types of animals living in tropical rainforest are lions, tigers, leopards, elephants, monkeys, apes, lion-tailed macaque, gorillas, birds, snakes, lizards, frogs, and insects. Elephant is a very large animal of Indian tropical rainforest. Elephants are plant eater. Elephant has adapted to the conditions of rainforest in many remarkable ways. The various adaptations in elephant which help it live and survive in tropical rainforest habitat are as follow. One of the most important adaptation in an elephant is its trunk. The elephant uses its trunk to smell. Because of the trunk, elephant has a strong sense of smell. It is also used for breathing. The elephant uses its long trunk to pick up foods. Another good adaptation of elephant are its tusks. Elephant uses the tusk to tear off the bark of trees which it eats as food. The elephant has large ears. Due to large ears, an elephant can hear even the slightest sound made by the predators behind him so that it can sense the danger and run away to safety. An elephant is very heavy. The elephant's feet are large and rounded. The large and rounded feet give good stability to the elephant and also prevent it from sinking into soft ground.